Hello friends, greeting from Boston. I bought this Dusenho citrus fruit juicer from Amazon, which is $63.74. It comes with the cleaning brush and USB wire. And this is supposed to be good for oranges, lime, lemon, and grapefruits. But you have to buy a smaller size grapefruits. Look at the width of the cylinder. So you need to buy a smaller size grapefruits. It comes with a good instruction on how to use and also fruit juicing tips. This machine is USB wireless, portable, hand-free. The portable thing I like about, because I like drinking fresh juice. I don't buy the bottle juice because that irritates my stomach. So this is very good portable machine, and let's put this in action, then I will give you a little review. This is amazing. Inside. Everything came off. You can take it and add. Let's make the lemon juice. This is amazing. Everything came off. And with the lime, not quite so, but still all the juice came off. It's amazing. And here we go. That's the lime and lemon juice. There are 2 lemon and 2 lime juice together. It's concentrated. Let's make the orange juice now. You have to lock it. You see that? You have to lock it. Nice. Okay, I have put grapes in it, and let's see how it works. You have to hold it. The machine is running backward. These are great. Not all the juice came out of the grapes. I may have to run it again, but this machine is a good citrus fruit extractor basically, and for which I really like that, and it is worth buying this machine. You see that? After the grape juice, this is that. This is grape skin, and which is fully juiced. For orange juice, this is perfect.